Beta, a touch of desi ghee is the secret to a happy heart and a healthy life, my Nani would say, her eyes twinkling with wisdom. She would often recount tales of how ghee was used in ancient times, not just for cooking, but also for its medicinal properties. It was believed to nourish the body and soul, providing strength and vitality. Her words have stayed with me, a testament to the special place desi ghee holds in Indian kitchens. Every time I cook with ghee, I am reminded of the generations before me who did the same, passing down their culinary secrets and traditions. It's not just an ingredient, it's an emotion, a legacy. The act of adding ghee to a dish is like adding a piece of history, a touch of love that has been handed down through the ages. From the aroma that fills the house to the taste that lingers on the palate, desi ghee is pure magic. The rich, nutty flavor it imparts to food is unmatched, making every meal a delightful experience. Desi ghee, with its rich golden hue, has graced our kitchens for centuries. It is a symbol of prosperity and well-being, often used in religious rituals and ceremonies to invoke blessings and positive energy. It is the heart of our culinary heritage. The tools and methods may have evolved, but the essence of cooking with ghee remains unchanged, connecting us to our roots. More than just a cooking medium, it's a symbol of love, tradition, and well-being. Sharing a meal cooked with ghee is like sharing a piece of one's heart, a gesture of warmth and care. In every shimmering drop of desi ghee, we find a story of our ancestors, their wisdom, and the irreplaceable flavors of home. These stories are woven into the fabric of our lives, enriching our culinary journey. There's a reason why no Indian meal feels complete without a dollop of this golden nectar. It brings a sense of completeness, a final touch that elevates the dish to perfection. It elevates the simplest of dishes to new heights of aroma and taste. Even a humble bowl of dal or a plain roti becomes a gourmet delight with a spoonful of ghee. Whether it's the sizzle in the pan or the richness it imparts to our food, desi ghee is truly in a league of its own. Its versatility and depth of flavor make it an indispensable part of Indian cuisine, cherished and celebrated in every household. Imagine this, a pan gently warming on the stove, the anticipation building as the heat rises. A spoonful of desi ghee melting into a pool of golden goodness, its rich texture slowly transforming. Then, the sizzle. That unmistakable sound is music to our ears, a prelude to the culinary masterpiece about to unfold, instantly awakening our senses and signaling the start of something delicious. The excitement is palpable. The aroma of desi ghee is intoxicating, a warm embrace that envelops the entire kitchen. Warm, nutty, and slightly sweet, it fills the kitchen with an irresistible fragrance, a promise of the flavors to come. Drawing everyone closer to the source of this culinary symphony, the allure is undeniable. This tantalizing aroma is a siren call, impossible to resist. It beckons with a promise of unforgettable taste. And then, the taste. Desi ghee lends a unique richness and depth of flavor to any dish it graces, enhancing every bite. It transforms simple lentils into a creamy delight, a dish that comforts and satisfies, and elevates the humble roti to a flaky indulgence, each layer infused with flavor. It's the secret ingredient that makes our food sing, turning everyday meals into extraordinary experiences. Desi ghee is incredibly versatile. This golden elixir, made from clarified butter, has been a staple in Indian households for centuries. Its rich, nutty flavor and aromatic qualities make it a beloved ingredient in a variety of culinary traditions. It's the star ingredient in countless Indian dishes, adding its magic touch to both sweet and savory preparations. Whether it's a festive occasion or a simple family meal, ghee finds its way into the heart of the cuisine. Think of a comforting bowl of dal, made luxurious with a swirl of ghee. The ghee not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a silky texture that makes each bite a delight. Or picture a crispy dosa, its edges laced with golden ghee, just begging to be dipped into sambar. The ghee gives the dosa a crispy yet tender texture that is simply irresistible. From rich curries and fragrant biryanis to fluffy puris and decadent halwas, desi ghee is the culinary hero that elevates every dish it touches. Its ability to blend seamlessly into both complex and simple dishes is what makes it so special. It adds a depth of flavor that is simply irreplaceable. The unique taste of ghee can transform even the most basic ingredients into something extraordinary. It's the reason why our food is celebrated for its aroma, taste, and complexity. The moment ghee hits the pan, it releases a fragrance that is both inviting and comforting. Even a simple roti, brushed with ghee, transforms into a culinary delight. The ghee seeps into the roti, making it soft, flavorful, and utterly delicious. It's this versatility that makes desi ghee an indispensable part of the Indian kitchen. Whether used in cooking, baking, or even as a finishing touch, ghee's multifaceted nature ensures it remains a cherished ingredient across generations. For years, desi ghee was unfairly labeled as unhealthy, but the truth is far from it. Desi ghee, made from pure cow's milk, is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as essential fatty acids like omega-3s. Modern science is finally catching up with ancient wisdom. Research shows that moderate consumption of desi ghee can actually be beneficial for health. It aids digestion, boosts immunity, and may even help in weight management. So the next time you reach for that jar of golden goodness, remember, you are not just adding flavor, you are nourishing your body with a traditional superfood. Desi ghee, consumed in moderation, is a friend, not a foe. My fondest memories of desi ghee are intertwined with my grandmother's kitchen. I remember watching her mesmerized as she patiently simmered milk and churned out the most fragrant ghee. The aroma would fill every corner of the house, a comforting reminder of her love and the traditions we held dear. This tradition of making ghee at home, passed down through generations, is a testament to its importance in our culture. It's a ritual that connects us to our roots, reminding us of the simple pleasures in life. This knowledge, this love for desi ghee, is a gift from our ancestors. It's a reminder of their wisdom and the importance of preserving our culinary heritage. What makes desi ghee so special? The answer lies in its unique chemical composition. Desi ghee has a high smoke point, which means it can be heated to high temperatures without breaking down and releasing harmful free radicals. This makes it ideal for Indian cooking, where we often use high heat to roast spices and fry ingredients. The process of making desi ghee also contributes to its health benefits. The milk is slowly simmered, separating the milk solids from the butterfat. This butterfat is then gently cooked, removing any impurities and leaving behind pure golden ghee. This traditional method of preparation ensures that desi ghee retains its nutrients and flavor. In a world obsessed with processed foods and artificial flavors, desi ghee stands as a beacon of tradition and purity. It reminds us of the simple goodness of natural ingredients and the importance of preserving our culinary heritage. The next time you open a jar of desi ghee, inhale its aroma, savor its taste, and let it transport you back to your roots. Let it remind you of the love that goes into cooking, the traditions that bind us, and the flavors that define who we are. Desi ghee is more than just an ingredient. It's an emotion, a connection to our past, and a celebration of the flavors that make Indian cuisine so unique. It's a reminder that sometimes the oldest traditions are the best. Today, as a chef, I carry forward my Nani's legacy, not just by using desi ghee in my dishes, but also by sharing its story with the world. It's my mission to dispel the myths and showcase the true potential of this golden elixir. I believe that every kitchen deserves a jar of desi ghee. It's a symbol of good health, great taste, and the timeless traditions that make Indian cuisine so special. So go ahead, add a dollop of desi ghee to your next meal and experience the magic